Hey guys, Jason here with ToyBot.
All hail ToyBot!
Today, I have been commanded by the almighty ToyBot to create a diorama display for my 5.5-inch action figures, like Masters of the Universe and Primal Age. So let's not waste any more time and just get right to it. First, I'm going to take some styrofoam pieces left over from my shelving units that I purchased to display my MOTU collection. Using a Sharpie, I'm going to begin drawing out brick designs on the styrofoam. After finishing the design on the floor portion, I need to draw something out for the back wall. Once I've drawn out the designs, it's time to trace over them with the electric foam cutter, etching out the brick designs along with the rock wall. Now that I've got the bricks and stones cut, I'm going to attach the two layers of the floor together using toothpicks and glue. With the floor pieces attached, I need to lay down a base coat on the styrofoam. To do that, I'm going to mix Mod Podge with black acrylic paint and a little bit of water. With my base coat down, it's time to start building up layers of different shades of gray, working up from darkest to lightest. As you can see, the stone look is really coming along. The only thing left to do is to dry brush the edges and parts of the surface with a light gray acrylic. Once the paint is all dry, I need to secure the back wall to the base. To do this, I'm going to use toothpicks and PVC glue. With the back wall glued in place, we now have our finished display. We can place MOTU or Primal Age figures, or any action figures for that matter, on the display. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I thank you for watching. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel and like to watch toy-related videos, feel free to subscribe and click that bell icon so that you can stay up to date on when new videos drop. Until next time, toy heads, all hail ToyBot.